Hello everyone, welcome to Vflow Services. This is our tutorial on how to use Kraken. The reason we are presenting Kraken today for 2023 tutorial is because it is always a good solution for crypto beginners that wishes to turn their fiat money into cryptocurrency. Kraken has been around for several years and has always offered a steady solution for turning your fiat money into cryptocurrency or into stablecoins. Now, what you're going to do with this USDT or any other cryptocurrency that you're going to buy through Kraken by converting your fiat money, your euro or your dollars to any of the cryptocurrency that Kraken offers is your business and your business alone. But I'm going to show you today how you're going to use Kraken in 2023, in October 2023, in order to convert your cryptocurrency from fiat to any stablecoin. So initially you go to kraken.com. I'm sharing the link in the comments, and you can sign up here. You can press here, sign up. Then we move on to the next screen where you're going to fill in your password and email. I'm going to use our demo account, Gmail account here to fill in the email. Of course, we're going to use a username and password. Vflow service. Vflow demo, actually. The system is going to offer us a password and country of residence. We'll put here Greece for now. And we are set. We have our Gmail or any other email that you may use, username, password, country, and you create the account. And then we are going to receive the activation code here in our email. So you're going to open up and we are going to press activate account. We can use this exact link here. We're going to copy it. So we're going back to Kraken and we are copy pasting this activation code. And here we go. We activated our account in Kraken. And step 2, we are going to answer here the questionnaire. So I'm new to crypto. You can skip if you want. The best thing is to skip. And you are going to select, you're going to wait for a little bit. And then you're going to go to the Kraken classic design. So here we can close it. And I think we can turn this and go back to Kraken, traditional Kraken. Let's see where we can move here to traditional Kraken account. Here we change the interface of Kraken. We can go to Kraken Pro, which is the trading platform of Kraken. We're going to check out this later on. And of course, it asks us to verify our identity. We can then move on and go to Kraken Classic, which is exactly the interface we were looking for. Finally, we don't have to give any feedback to Kraken. So in order to go to Kraken Classic, you first go to Kraken Pro and then back to Kraken Classic, where here Kraken is going to ask us to verify our account. This is what we're going to do right now. So as you can see here, Kraken has several account levels. You can go for here for the starter, where we just fill in some details, or you can go to intermediate, where you provide ID documents, 4 to 5 minutes. You'll be asked here to verify your account. So move on here and fill in, please, your first name, last name, date of birth, access, and then you provide your passport. You upload your passport, and once you're verified, you can then start to make your first deposit for fiat money. Once your profile is approved, and you can then move on to fund your account. Before you do anything from apart from the funding, you can go here to the settings, to security, and you can set up your 2FA settings. Remember always to save your password, the code for your 2FA account. So in case you use your phone or anything like that, you can always use this 10-digit code to get again access to your account and reset your 2FA. So let's go to funding. And if you are a Greek resident, then or a European resident, you can deposit. You can select here to deposit euro. So in case you want to deposit euro, here you're going to write the deposit amount that you will want to take. So here, as you can see, we have the payment details for depositing crypto. And the important thing is that you should use this SEPA way of transfer. So in your web banking, you are going to use the name of the bank, the address, the IBAN, and the SWIFT number, the BIC number of the bank. And you can always remember, please, on the reference field of your web banking to fill in this code. This is your unique reference code, so Kraken can identify your euro deposit in order for them to credit the money to your account. So once you have credited the money into your account, then next step is to go to Kraken Pro here. Once you have deposited your euro, you go here and you open up the Kraken Pro application. So next is to go here to see the trading pair between USDT and euro. You will find your balance here if you have euro here, and you can sell your euro for USDT. You can select the market option, not the limit, and you can instantly sell your euro for USDT. You press here the conversion and it's done. And then you can go back to your account, where you will find that you will have USDT available. I'm going to search for USDT. I'm not going to have anything right now here, but you can easily find here your USDT that you turned into from euro to USDT. So next will be for you to withdraw this stable coin into your Metamask account. I'm going to show you later on how you're going to do that in your Metamask account. So what you need to do is from your Metamask account to take your ERC20 deposit address. So there, here, when you want to withdraw, you are going to use the Ethereum chain. So where you withdraw, actually here you're going to withdraw to Ethereum address to your Metamask account, and you copy paste here your Metamask wallet account address, the amount, and you press to proceed, and the USDT then are going to go to your Metamask wallet. And so you're done. By this way, you will be depositing euro to Kraken. You are going to turn it the way I showed you to a USDT, and then you are going to withdraw it to your Metamask wallet. So your Metamask wallet is topped up, and you can then move on to do any of the transactions that you would like to. So this is it for the Kraken tutorial for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.